La página 41, page 41. Continuing on the discussion about gender, about some words being masculine, some being feminine. The top of the page 41, you've got many words that end in ma are masculine. Not all, but many of them are. And these are some of them. El poema, el programa, el sistema, el idioma, el problema, and el tema. Those are masculine words, not feminine. Don't make that confusion. The second grouping there says, you must learn the gender of nouns that have other endings and that do not refer to male or female beings. Okay? Like these are other things that you just can't tell. These are ones, a word can end in a D and it could be masculine or feminine. You have to learn the word, learn its gender as you learn the word. For example, the word for wall, la pared, that's feminine. But pencil, el lápiz, that's masculine. Eraser, el borrador, that's masculine. Clock or watch, el reloj, that's masculine. And light, la luz, that's feminine. Under the practica, you got to put el or la in front of each. I'll just read them through. Check with your teacher if you have any confusion or any question about why one is what it is. Right down through the first column. El mapa, la ciudad, el poema, el señor, la doctora, el papel, la dirección. Second column. La lección, la pizarra, el marcador, la mujer, la libertad, la silla, la calle. Third column. La sociedad, el idioma, el hombre, el día, el secretario, el profesor, el español. And the fourth column. La mano, la luz, el libro, el papel, la pared, la certidumbre, la tarde. Letter B, plural forms. How do you make a plural in Spanish? If it ends in a vowel, add an S. If it ends in a consonant, add ES. It's as easy as that. You're going to have a little bit of, I'll show you down below, a little bit of a problem with that, but for the most part, that's what you do. It's very, very easy in Spanish to make a plural. Señora turns to señoras. Silla becomes sillas. Libro becomes libros. Reloj becomes relojes. Borrador becomes borradores. Lección becomes lecciones. Notice that the plural form, like you see the word lección, it's got an accent over the O in the singular. As soon as you make it plural, you don't need the accent mark there anymore. Later on we'll see why accent marks come into play and what for. Just underneath that now you've got when a noun ends in Z, change the Z to a C and then add your ES. Lápiz and luz are two words you have that end in Z's. To make them plural, you have to make the Z into a C, then add the ES. And then the last little note says, when the plural refers to two or more nouns of different genders, the masculine form is used. So anytime you've got a mixed group, male and female, the words that would change gender will change to the masculine form. Dos secretarias y un secretario. If you have two female secretaries and one male secretary, they become tres secretarios.